I am gonna put my phone in between my boobs, in between my boobies. Don't be shocked. Now mic. But hey guys, hope you guys are good. Yeah. Makeup. I am going to the mall. Your girl is finally mobile. Winner, I can now go out. Like I can now drive. It's 6 weeks post-op, so I better go before 6 weeks. I should not even bother driving. Like I should not drive. Like those were the instructions from very in physio. Yeah, those are the instructions from the physio. So the 6 weeks is done. Tindlela ate pfuleki. 6 weeks done. Now, I'm joking, guys. Mara, yeah, kaiwa. Kaiwa, guys, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I am so happy. And it is, wait, oh, sorry. The foundation I went on in is this, it's this MAC foundation. Yeah, in the shade NW44. So yeah, so now I can actually go out and do stuff. So yeah, so of course for the first day going out, I was not gonna go out looking crusty. No, not a chance. Yeah, so I'm just doing like a little quick face beat. Not even a face beat, like just looking put together. Ah la la. And yeah, guys, why do I look so orange? It's not. I think I'm orange. Ah la la. Oh, it's the lighting. But yeah. So I'm just doing a quick face beat, and I'm going to get groceries and slippers. Yo guys, my slippers are so ghetto. Both of our slippers in this house, they are so ghetto, super ghetto. So I'm no man, let me go get us slippers. Plus it's getting cold, very, very cold. So I need to go to Woolies and look for slippers. And when I was pregnant, I wanted to buy new slippers, right, for my hospital bag. Mara, my feet were so swollen. So when we went to go buy my PJs, I was no, I'm also gonna get slippers. Loko ni fika ni ringetela ti slippers ta kona, milenge ku bumbula, swi ala swi tsandza, even vinlangwa. And then I was I am not gonna get slippers because my feet I will just use the slippers I have. And the slippers I had, mind you, fit me well, but they were not tanyimsanyana. So I wanted new slippers then, but I could not get new slippers then. So now my feet are back to normal. I mean, I'm not sure if it's back to normal actually. Yocha. So yeah, now I can get slippers. Hey boy. Your boys are everybody. Oh, you we oh Polile, but what Pauline? Oh my goodness! But this. And then for lips, I'm just gonna try something. Let's see, guys. I look like my boy. My features are too dark. My hair is so black. Yeah. So yeah, guys, we're done. We're done with my makeup. Let me just put on my jeans. I can finally fit back into jeans. The people at work used to bully me back when the jean because what so now I can finally get back into jeans. I'm so excited. So yeah, guys, let's go. 11 minutes. Yo, that's too much. Oh, what again? Oh, no problem. Kusaseka. So I'm going to pair my outfit. It's just this jeans and this black top. You know, this black top is the one I wore for my maternity shoot. I'm gonna wear it with these New Balance sneakers. Let me try focus on them. Actually, I'm not sure if they're focused. Yeah, I'm just gonna wear it with these sneakers of mine, and yeah, and that will be it. Actually, then I can go. It's now, what time is it? 12:35. Yeah, I need to leave. I need to move. I actually bought myself another pair of sneakers, almost similar to these ones for my birthday. I'll unbox them with you once I get my other birthday gifts from me to me. So I can just do like one huge, not one huge, but like one unboxing instead of doing one at a time. I'll just do like one unboxing for all my gifts. It's actually May, and May is my birthday month. So yeah, I think I spoke too much in this first part of the video. I'll just cut some parts out actually. But yeah, let's go guys. I'll just go get my handbag and then I'll see you guys at the mall. We'll meet at the mall. Yeah, let's go. I feel so pretty. I feel so pretty, guys. I feel super, super pretty. done shopping for my top-ups as well as our pajamas and yeah, and fun stuff. Like I just could not resist getting him some clothes. Like he's such a cool boy. So I got him some stuff as well, and yeah, and then I also went on to print some pictures for my photo album. And I'm like, I can't do groceries and not, you know, I still go home and cook like for lunch. So now, because now with Fumela, I still have some money. I'm like, let me spoil myself. Also, it's my birthday month. I've been spoiling myself rotten. Like the damage I've done this month, it's crazy. It's bad. Like May will be a very long month. Mara malia buya, itabuya. But this month I've been spoiling myself. It's my birthday month. I'm like, yeah, no one will do it for you but yourself. Like no one will do it better actually but yourself. And yeah, so I've been spoiling myself. I will do the unboxings and everything to show you guys what I bought myself. But yeah, I've been treating myself nice, and yeah, like I deserve it. And yeah, so let's have breakfast. They have a special but for sit down. I wanted to take like to have like a takeaway, mara it's only for sit down, so I'll just eat quickly and then go back home to my baby. Yeah, but yeah, it's been a good day. I'm happy. Yeah, but now I need to go home. I can feel Kuno, I need to go home. Yeah, but yeah, that's that. I'm complaining about these chips. Like, why did it almost so? Anyways, It's so hot. Want some There you go. 543. Can I still go back? Okay. Thank you. Thank you. It's time to go back home now. So let me. Oh, well, I can go in. I'm listening to I can go in. Yeah, but it's time to go home now. So let me drive home and then I'll see when I get home. And like I said, I'm not vlogging and driving. I'm just still in the mall. And saying doing this, so it is still very, very chilled. So yeah, let's go home. But then I did get most of the things that I wanted. Yeah, that's cool. I did get the stuff that I wanted. I wanted to buy food and to get us slippers and some pajamas. Just yeah, just a pair of pajamas, even though I ended up getting my husband too. Hey, but yeah, I did get some nice pajamas, like a pair of PJs. So yeah, I will show you guys. I will unbox them as well. I think yeah, local they entered the huge unboxing for my birthday stuff. So yeah guys, sharp, let's go home. I'll see you when I get home. Oh my gosh guys, I need to pump. My boobs are so full. What is this life, guys? I need to get home and pump. Like, what is this, me? But yeah guys, I'll see you when I get home. Bye. Body, crib, got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name? I am back home. I'm back home and I'm about to have bread and peanut butter. Yo guys, this thing ne, I didn't get the peanut butter until I got pregnant, and ever since, oh yo, I love it so much. It's so smooth. It's so smooth, so I love it. And apparently it's good for breast milk. I love this brand. Yeah, so yeah, I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys when I do the unboxing for my birthday gifts. I'll see you guys on my birthday. And yeah, tomorrow I will need to go to the gym and fix my stuff. But yeah, I'll see you guys. Yeah. Good, Avuxeniii. Welcome to another day. It is days after the errands and whatever. And today we are fetching the final packages. Well, yeah, we're fetching my birthday gifts. They've all been shipped and have arrived. So, yeah, we can now get our gifts and then go do unboxing and then wait for my birthday. I'm so excited. But yeah, guys, welcome back to another day. I hope you guys have liked the video already. I hope you guys are gonna subscribe and will comment on your favorite parts of this video, okay? And I forgot to introduce myself, guys. Got that first part, but my name is Tamsangaska, and if you're seeing my face for the very first time, I hope you stay, I hope you love it here, and you're very, very welcome. Yeah, I am Tsonga speaking, so yeah, but I am Tsonga speaking. And yeah, what else to know about me? I'm about to turn 26, and yeah, I just want you to subscribe to my channel and be a part of my family. And yeah, guys, so I got myself like very, very interesting gifts, like the things I've always wanted: sneakers, hair, and an outfit. I also want the DJI and the Sony ZV, and yeah, and more hair, like why not? And money and cash. I like created a collage of the things I wanted, and I sent it to my loved ones. I sent it to my mom, I sent it to my dad, I sent it to my husband and my sisters, and I was like, guys, this is what I want for my birthday. I think I also sent it to my best friend. I'm like, guys, this is what I want for my birthday. And then I also posted it on my status. Mara, my best friend is now, she was asking me about my size, and then she's like, she wants to buy me Coach sandals or whatever, and I'm like, girl, no, why is she buying me Coach sandals? No, actually, she could have asked for my size because she wants to buy me sneakers. Okay, we'll see. I have no expectations, but yeah, guys, so yeah, let's go. So now, like I posted, I'm about to fetch my hair. I bought hair from Love Me Hair. Yeah, and I'm so happy. I really hope the hair is what I like, but it's the hair I will have installed on my birthday. It's a 5x5. I am letting go of frontals, hey? Like, there's no need for ear to ear, unless it's a frontal pony or whatever. But like, there is no need. Life is hectic, life is busy for me to be gluing ear to ear. 5x5 is the way, like, girls have been influencing me on the 5x5. I tell you, I tell you, it looks so convenient. You still look good, you still look put together, like you still eat, you know. Yeah, but ear to ear, finally one. Shem, I don't think I have the patience. Yo. Even though like a good ear to ear looks good, but only when it's professionally installed. Kamina, like, yeah, and of which I've never had it professionally installed. Yeah, I don't think I've had a professional installation. Yeah, but yeah, guys, let me stop blabbing too much. Let's go get these packages and go home. I'm not about to be out here for too long. Bye.
We've been done long before it all begun. Still can't give it up. Lead me on, but leave before the morning comes. Even though it's what we want, can't keep it up. But I just don't wanna leave you. Might just go with the reasons why people can't lay here. And secret, both gotta keep it honest. That's just a game, you know. People can't play. For tonight, I'm yours. So tonight, the truth. Or stay behind closed doors. 'Cause all I wanna do is lie with you. reasons why people can't lay it. And secrets, both gotta keep it honest, honest. That's just a game we know. People can't play. For tonight, I'm yours. So tonight, or stay behind closed doors. 'Cause all I wanna do is lie with you. For tonight, I'm yours. So tonight, the truth. Or stay behind closed doors. 'Cause all I wanna do is lie with you. Even though it's wrong, I'll lie with you. Even though it's wrong, I'll lie with you.
Testify for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You scared to do? I'm not. Long as you joking now here for me, I ain't got it. My bitch scheming, looting, hide your bodies. Long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. Tell the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do. In the top right with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one.
This is how the wig looks like. This is what it's giving. Yeah, no, it's a very nice wig, guys. It's a very nice wig. It's a very, very nice wig. Like, it's so nice. It's a 5x5, like I explained. As you can see right there, the lace. Yeah, it's very much like Clueless vibes. I feel like Lokantata, some powder, I could just like wear and go. And these are the curls. I'm not sure the density, which one did I choose? Was it 180 or 250? But the hair is not heavy at all. It's so nice. It's so nice. Very nice. Very nice. Like, I just combed the curls out with my hands just to like see the volume go like and it's very nice. So I'll be wearing this wig on my birthday. Yeah. Oh my god, guys, it's so nice. I don't know what to do with myself. But yeah, let's move on to the next things to unbox. But first, it's this wig. And then we have the outfit, right? So the outfit is this, guys, I need a mic. Oh, is this what? Fushini. It's a Fushini vest. Like you can see from there. It's brown, blue, and white. Oh, the material is so good. It was on sale. There you go. That's the material. Get into the material. Oh, the material is so nice. So I'll put it on. And the jeans. The jeans are the Fix jeans. I saw this from my aunt. She was wearing them. And I'm like, I need the link, like share code of those jeans. I want them. They're from the Fix. These were 400 Rand. Oh, the color. The color. I really hope they fit me. This is in a size 14. I really hope they fit, hey? It's barrel jeans. Let me show you guys. Yeah. I got these ones on Bash, but also they were on sale. Yeah, I think it was like 100 Rand off. Yeah, guys, so that's all I got for my birthday from me to me, and I am in love. My favorite item will have to be the hair. I'm not sure between the hair and the sneakers, but I think the sneakers, yeah, and the quality is so good. Like, yeah, the sneakers compared to the New Balance. New Balance one, they're very lightweight. Like, the first time I got my New Balances, I was like, what's going on here? I was so confused because of the quality. Like, it's lightweight, but the Essex, the Essex are heavy. Oh, heavyweight champion Essex. But they're so good. I love the color. So I chose this darker brown yana color because my New Balances are like light creamy. So I'm like, I won't get another cream pair. I'll just get like something dark. But my next pair will have to be colorful, like bright, your pinks, like, yeah, just your multicolor sneakers. Yeah, because now I have the browns. Yeah, and then, yeah, kancane guys, hahlengeleta. Yeah, so yeah, hahlengeleta kancane, ilembe. Like, last year I got myself the New Balance on my birthday. This year I'm getting these ones. So I should boy kushava hinkwaswo nkarhi wun'we. Like, my husband always says kuri unge swi koti ku xava hinkwaswo nkarhi wun'we. So yeah, but I'm very happy. I'm a very happy girl. Yeah, we'll spend my birthday together, but for now I think this is where we're gonna end it. The video is very long. I've started like editing and I'm like, but I think I want like long videos. Shot the 18 minutes. But yeah, guys, that is my birthday haul from me to me, and yeah, I love you guys so much. Like, I'm comment, I'm a subscriber, and yeah, so I really hope I stay consistent, guys. Like, I'm really enjoying this. I'm really enjoying vlogging. Like, I really hope I can still vlog for you guys and for myself because I love it so much. But yeah, I'm still in these jeans. Let me take them off. It's a bit day. Tita humela moya. Tita huma moya ti jean ta mina. But yeah, I am so obsessed, guys. I am obsessed. I think I'm about to be a jean girl. I don't know, like, I love skirts as well. Like, lately I've been into skirts, but jeans look so good on me right now. I think Fana gave me like some nice things. Yeah, no, I think Fana made me look good. No, I think Fana made me look good. Like, yeah, I like what I'm seeing. I really like what I'm seeing. Like, Fana, thank you, boy. Thank you, my boy. Fana and my husband, I love you guys down, because why am I thick? Why am I so thick? Thick mommy. But yeah, bye guys, love you, see you on the next one. Yes. Bye guys. Actually, I still love this hair so much. Hair plug D43 Dragon City. D43 Dragon City. Yeah, that's where I got this Jerry curls. So good. I think I'll put the price, how much, but I got a 1 point something. Yeah, and I got a frontal, but I'm not gluing anything down right now. I don't have that time. But yeah, guys, bye. Happy birthday to me. Was Zahiko happy birthday.